In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return a game on Steam Desktop. If you bought a game and it isn't what you expected, Steam's refund system is straightforward as long as you're within the typical eligibility window, generally within 14 days of purchase and with less than 2 hours of playtime. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact flow. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and signing in. At the top right, click your profile icon to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Account Details. This takes you to your account management page where you can review your store settings and past purchases. On this page, look for the option labeled View Purchase History and click it. You'll see a list of everything you've bought, including games, DLC, and in some cases, subscriptions. Find the game you want to return and select it to open its order details. In the order details, choose I would like a refund. This tells Steam you want help with this purchase specifically. On the next screen, click I'd like to request a refund. If your purchase doesn't meet refund criteria, Steam will usually display a note explaining why. Otherwise, you can continue. You'll now be asked to tell Steam why you're requesting a refund. Pick the most accurate reason from the drop-down and then use the notes field to briefly explain what happened, whether it's performance issues, unexpected gameplay, or a mistaken purchase. Clear, concise notes help support understand your situation faster. Depending on your region and payment method, you may be asked where to send the refund, such as your original payment method or your Steam wallet. Make your selection, then click Submit Request. After you submit, you'll receive a confirmation by email and inside Steam support. Refund reviews are often quick, but processing back to your bank or card can take a few business days. If approved, access to the game will be removed once the refund is completed. And that's it. Open Steam, go to Account Details, view Purchase History, select the game, request a refund, add your reason, and submit.